Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Holliston Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Relocating within Holliston shouldn't pose any challenge. Simply hire a credible Holliston local movers to handle your relocation plan. If seamless moving handled by a proficient team rocks your boat, consider enlisting the services of 3 Movers. They are Holliston's best local moving company and have served this city for years. Choosing reliable long-distance movers in Holliston like 3 Movers can save you more stress. Here's why. They have their presence in over 190 countries and an able network of partners across these countries to facilitate the safe moving of your belongings. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Holliston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.